Hey everybody, the Stig's back on Carl's 68 Mustang. We began the quarter process. You remember when I first talked to you, we said we were going to do a skin on it. We're doing full quarters, and I'm going to show you the reasons why. One is because this entire wheel well, inner and outer, we're going to replace it because it's got rust down inside. As you can see right here, there's a little bit of tin worm action went on in here. So we'll get that patched up, then we'll put the quarter on it, but we removed the full quarter. I'll show you over here. But this was dented, rusty, all of the above. We took it off. You can see there, it's not that difficult to get off, and it's really not that much bigger than a quarter skin to begin with. So on a convertible, we're not cutting into the roof or anything like that. It's going to be just as easy to replace that. We're also going to do the same thing on the other side. And like I mentioned before, with the bracing that we've put on the car, it's not going anywhere. We're taking a lot of structure out of it right now, but it seems to be holding together. So far, so good. And we'll go from there. We'll keep you posted on when we get it fit, and we'll do a little video on fitting the quarter to the car before we actually begin welding it, making sure things are straight and that the doors are going to line up, trunk's going to line up, and all that, because this is going to be another one of the nice ones. So we'll see you here shortly. Hey everybody, it's Jim coming to you from the break room. We're a little short-staffed right now. Matt, I believe, has got the Rona. Austin is out getting some extensive dental work done, which I wouldn't want to be that guy. But anyway, I know how much you guys love unboxing videos, so we got a box from Holley today. We ordered a bunch of stuff from Holley for 2 different vehicles, so if I go through this and I'm making a couple of mistakes, this is for El Blanco Grande and it's for the Super B. But what the first thing we got is a couple of MSD coils, which these are going to give us the spark we need to operate our fuel injection system. But there's 2 coils just like this. Kind of neat looking. I'm kind of looking forward to putting this stuff into cars. And I'm kind of looking forward to having my truck up and running again. So, but it comes with some wiring and a couple of fittings and the plug wire boot. So there's that. If you're going to do a sniper system, you need good stuff. We just want to make sure that everything we've got is going to be on point for both of these vehicles, because one of them's mine and one of them's Joe's. This is a Hyperspark to main harness wiring adapter. The guys at Holley were real helpful with us. We talked directly with them. Their customer service and their tech department told them what our plans were for these vehicles, and they said, here's what you need. So this is a fuel log for the dually, because it's the fuel rail that comes with it doesn't exactly wire up or hook up. So they told us we needed that, which is something, if you don't talk with these guys directly, you're going to miss a part. You're going to be halfway through the project and realize something's missing, and you don't want to do that. Let's see. This box, I believe, is going to be for the Super B. Yeah, this has a whole bunch of stuff in it. This is, let's see, this is a metal fuel filter. This may well be for my truck, because there's another one. Got a bunch of stuff in there. It's a Wix 3303 filter. Got some AN fittings to hose. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. We'll find out as we go through the project. But yeah, we got a lot of AN fittings here. Some fuel line, because Joe's car, we're going to have to run fuel line for it. My truck is already fuel injected from the factory, but we're going to use their existing stuff, which is fine. But Joe's is going to be a little bit different. Sippy straw, I have no idea what it is, but we'll figure it out. We got some fuel injection clamps. They're going to be a little bit different than your regular worm drive hose clamps. You need to use these more stuff. So all this can go back in that box, and we'll figure out what we need. We'll go back over the list of stuff that we ordered and figure out what's for the Super Bee and what's for the dually. And this right here, this is what everybody wants to see. This is the exciting part of doing the fuel injection. You could have a razor blade handy and cut this tape, or you could just really suffer through it, whatever you want to do. But everything that comes from Holley is packed really nice. It's not gonna slam around in a FedEx truck coming to you. They do a pretty nice job. And this is going to be the heart of the Super Bee right here. Or this could be for the truck. We're not really 100% sure yet. Actually, I think this one may be for the truck. But it's a real nice, basically it's a 4-barrel fuel injection setup, so it can go, as you see, you just bolt it right to a 4-barrel intake, which we've already purchased for the dually. All of your wiring, it's really a simple plug and play setup. We're waiting on distributors. We got a couple of them coming. A whole bunch of stuff, really. This is for Joe's car. This is the control box. Actually, this is your onboard screen. This goes inside the vehicle, and you'll see when we get it all turned on and lit up and figured out and what have you. This is your screen that's going to give you all the display. The Sniper system is self-learning. However, you can do a more aggressive tune on it, and we got the guys across the street who are going to work on that for us. So, you've got your wiring harness there. It's got a nice loom on it. Everything you need, plug and play, get it done. Boom, car's got fuel injection. This is ignition coil driver. This, I think that might be for my truck. I don't know. We have to go back over the list. O2 sensor, because you need an O2 sensor to operate the Holley fuel injection. So there's that. So we got quite a bit of kind of neato stuff here that I'm sure if we get it all, Joe's going to be chomping at the bit to put it in that Super Bee. I want my truck to run basically just simply because it's got to get out of here. All your gaskets, some fine stickums you can put on your window, let everybody know you're a high performance vehicle owner. Yeah, there's that. We've already gone through that box. There's your Holley TBI right there. So we do have yet another one of those coming. That's a Sniper EFI. I got the Terminator Max X for my truck, which it runs your the transmission that's in the truck is also computer controlled. So when I had to have power windows and power seats, we ended up costing ourselves a little bit, and because the wiring's not compatible with the system that's in the truck. So now it will be, and we're going to probably be able to gain a conservative 50 to 60 horsepower when we tune it. So it's a TBI 454, and we're going to make it even more fuel injected. So with some cool Holley stuff, and these guys took care of us pretty good. We got a nice big shop banner with their line card. We got a pretty good discount and also free shipping. So it worked out. They're real easy to deal with. They're just up in Bowling Green, which is, you know, a matter of, I don't know, 45 minutes from here, an hour from here, depending on how you drive. It'll be a lot quicker trip once we get all this stuff on these vehicles. So stay tuned, and we're going to do a tutorial on how to put these all in the vehicles. The Sniper that we're putting on the Super B, you're going to want to pay attention to that, because that's a backyard do-it-yourself kind of thing. So is the truck, but the truck's a little more in-depth because we've got, like I said, we've got the computer to run the transmission as well as the fuel injection and timing in that truck. Stay tuned, we got a lot more coming.